Hi, I'm Tay. I'm in North Hollywood, California. I hired Upfront Remodeling to do some water damage restoration. I had water damage in this bedroom from a storm a couple of years ago. The water damage was to the ceiling and the walls here, and also to this half of the floor in the room. So I used Realm's referral program to find Upfront Remodeling. Igal was very friendly and helpful. He gave me a complete quote, let me know that he was going to replace the areas of damage, do mold remediation, and replace the half of the floor with my original wood floor. So I had approached 2 other companies about repairing my wood floor. I wanted to stick with the original size. This size it's a very old size from the early 1900s. It's not very popular anymore. The other contractors all said that they couldn't find this floor anymore, that they didn't make it anymore, and I would need to go with either engineered hardwood or vinyl, which I didn't want to do. When Igal came out, he told me that he believed that he could find this floor, and he did. And not only did he find it, and he replaced it, but it was a very reasonable price. I was very surprised. Igal had his workers come out. They cordoned off this area where they needed to do the mold remediation or to check for mold. And they kept everything very clean in the areas that they weren't working in. Igal was very communicative, which I really appreciated. He let me know, what time the workers would be there, what time he would be there. We were living in the home while the construction was going on. And they also stuck to the schedule. So when he said he was going to be here at 10, he showed up at 10, which I really appreciated. All of the floors came out gorgeous. I am very, very happy with the floors. In this room, you can see the floor, but you can't even tell that it's not the original floor. It blends very well. So I was so happy with working with him that I've also asked him to work with me on creating a laundry room in this unit, and we'll be starting that project very soon. I absolutely love the end result. He did a gorgeous job with all of the floors, with painting the room after patching the walls and patching the ceiling. I'm very, very happy. I would definitely work with him again, and I would recommend anyone else to work with him as well. He keeps his word. His workers were clean and polite, and that's all I have to say.